So your zoom level affects your live dimension rate. You can see here it's going up in 100mm increments. If I zoom right in, you can see I'm going in like 5mm increments, 20mm increments, all based on how zoomed out I am. So if you just want like big round numbers, you can actually zoom out and be quite efficient. Obviously at any point in time you can type in the specific number that you want. This also affects your nudge amount. So if I zoom in on an element and I'm using my arrow keys here, you can see the number here is going in sort of 40mm increments, something along those lines. If I zoom out, you'll see it's going more, it's going in 100mm increments. If I hold shift, I should get 10 times that amount. So now I'm moving meters at a time by holding shift. Let go of shift, I'm back to 100mm. If I zoom right in, where I can still see this temporary dimension, you'll see now it's changing in 10mm increments.